Hello everyone, so today what I'm gonna show you is how you can install correctly these electrostatic stickers on your windshield. Here this is a correct application. You see there is no bubbles or anything like this, it's like super clear. Here is the bad application, bad installation of the electrostatic sticker. We're gonna remove it together and we're gonna replace it properly. So the first thing that we need to do, this will be maybe the hardest part, will be to remove the stuck camera on top of this windshield. It's gonna be tough, but you see, it's like it has just been removed. Okay, and now I have to as well make it separated. So after removing the camera, what we want to do is like be really careful. We're gonna just spray twice here. Just want to clean all the possible residue that's stuck on top of the glass. After doing so, we can continue. So I don't know if you can read this. We will take the brand new electrostatic sticker, and here it says please peel off the mask before application. So this is the step 1, and step 2 on the other side, please peel off this mask after application is completed. So first we're gonna peel this off. We have a lot more, so if something goes wrong, we have a lot more to use. And I'm gonna peel this off. I'm gonna try to keep it clean, like so. Keep this clean. And now, all I want to do, while it's clean, I want to try. And because we don't want any bubbles, I'm gonna add only one part of it, and then slowly I'm going to just slowly use the squeegee to press out all of the air so I don't have any bubbles. Like so. So as you can see that there is no bubbles inside of it. It's gonna look super clean. So once we clean it as well on the outside, it's gonna be spotless. I'm not going to remove the second part of the film except when I'm exactly ready to place the camera and the new adhesive. So I can just do this, make it super clean. What you might end up with is this. When you want to change it, it will destroy the previous glue or film that was able to glue. So what we need to do is kind of replace it. So when we removed this old film, it took with it the glue that was stuck on this camera. So we need to completely remove this now, what's ever left in there. And what we can do is we can use a double-sided film that will look like this. It's going to be exactly the same. And what it will do, it's very strong, this one. We'll stack one part on it, then the other part will get stuck like this on the film, on the microstatic film. And what I'm going to try to do without completely scraping my hands off, I'm going to try to scrape it off. So once we have removed completely the previous glue on top of this, we will try to create a brand new one. So after cutting the double-sided glue on the appropriate size, you can see that it has a protective tape. So all we need to do now is remove this protective tape. Trust me, this glue is like very, very sticky. If I try to remove it now, it would give me like a very tough time. So all we need to do, like so, it's gonna hold it for like 5 seconds with a bit of pressure. So let's check out the results. So first of all, you can see that the tape, okay, I have done a major mistake. Yeah. Uh-oh, mistakes were made. So I had to remove it. And obviously this destroyed my tape. So yeah, we have to redo it again. That's why we need a second tape. The glue has been removed again from this. It was tough because you see like this glue, by the time you stick it on, it's like really tough to remove. And like this, like scraping it on the side, you can remove it. So we need a new electrostatic tape. I'm gonna peel this off before application, like so. I'm gonna have the squeegee in one hand. I'm gonna just make sure that only a small part of it gets stuck. Okay, like so. And then I'm just gonna squeegee slowly, squeegee the rest of it. Yeah. So yeah, on the second attempt, it looks good as well. So twice cannot be just a coincidence, let's say. So let me try and show you from another side how would it look like to install the electrostatic film. Let's assume this wooden desk here is the windshield. So all I want to do is try and attach from this side. It's going to be the number one. So number one will be towards the windshield. And all I want to do on the first step is attach first part here, the glue on the windshield, and then with a squeegee on top of this, I'm gonna try and squeegee the rest of the tape slowly on top. So I will not allow any bubbles to form. If you try to just stick it like this, I'm sure it will create bubbles. At least on the ones that are included inside Red Tiger. Maybe these ones that I got from Amazon are a bit better and won't form a lot of bubbles. But yeah, just to be super uh, clean on this installation, this is how I did it. Just take a small part of it, cut it, and now slowly just put it on the back, like so, and like start cutting away pieces, like so. Gonna cut this part. I'm gonna cut this part as well. We need one more cut, so almost like here. We'll turn it around and like do as well a big part here to cut it out. So like this. And I think now we have created an appropriate size double sticky tape. I'm gonna introduce it. And this time I'm gonna be super careful. I'm gonna just remove the second part that I forgot earlier. Remove as well this small part. And then again, try and centralize it and put it where I want it to be. So here is the end result. There is no bubbles, no lines on the electrostatic film. So where is this going to be helpful for you? It's going to be helpful if you want to change the camera, your dashcams, you want to remove it and put another one. It's going to be helpful if you want to take this dashcam and put it in another car. So all of these steps just showcase that you can change this, the film, the glue, everything. So you can reuse your cameras in another car or anywhere else. And what did we use? We used isopropyl alcohol at 70%. You can do 50%, 80%. It's not really important. It should be enough just to remove any glue. So yeah, this is the after. No problems on the No problems on the electrostatic film. You need a double-sided tape. You need a good specific glass towel. You need a small prier. This comes with the Red Tiger does come to just pry at the end of the film, like so, in when it's glued in the window, just to get under it so you can remove it safely with no scratching. I use this one, the Sharpie, to remove from the dust cam the previous glue that was stuck on it. Obviously, you need new electrostatic films or the ones that come included in the camera. I think there were like 4, and I wasted like 2 or 3 just to get it right. And yeah, just to get this right with the squeegee. That is the next item that you need, a squeegee. And finally, a good scissor to properly cut the double-sided tape. So yeah, that's it. Let's do a final check. No problems on the electrostatic film, and this is the one that came with a camera. So you see this electrostatic film has a different pattern on the side, but you can change it, you can do as you wish.